Okay, so you got your wallet all set up, but now you need to fund it. Now, there are a number of ways to do this depending on where you are in the world. However, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can add crypto to your wallet via Fiat right within PRDT. Let's go ahead and connect our wallet. The easiest way to do this is to go up to where your wallet is connected, right up here in the right-hand corner, click on it, and then you want to click here where it says buy. Next, you want to put in how much you actually want to buy. So in this case, let's go ahead and we will select BNB. We'll select our network, BNB. We'll select the BNB coin. So we'll come in and select 0.2, click on continue, click on credit card, let it get a price quote, and then we'll click on continue. So let's go ahead and click on continue again. And depending on where you are in the world, you may have to go through this option here where you'll need to add your email address and sign up with links. So I'm going to go ahead and put mine in and click on continue. You'll also need to verify with your phone number. Then you'll need to verify with the code they send you in the email address. Next, we'll need to verify our device. So we'll click on that. And now we'll need to add our personal info. So we'll go ahead and click on this. And then you'll need to confirm your wallet. Now, I already have an account set up, so I can't go through it again. What I do need to let you know is what may happen is you may need to also verify with a facial recognition, depending on where you are in the world. You'll need to open up your mobile device, follow the process, and then you'll be able to complete the purchase. But once you have everything verified, you'll then need to go ahead and add your credit card information or your bank information, as you see right here on the screen, and then go ahead and click on review order. Okay. And then you go ahead and click on pay. And then after that, it will begin the process. And sometimes it can take maybe 10 minutes or so before it's actually credited to your wallet as a process it has to go through. But once you're done, you can then check to see the funds in your wallet just by going back up to your MetaMask option here. Okay. And they should be credited once the transaction is done there. Okay. Well, that's how you add funds to your wallet via the Fiat option right within PRDT. Take care.